Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Quintero Love. Buenos días, bienvenido a Quintero Love. Today is Tuesday morning. Martes por la mañana. We have 5 birds that returned yesterday, Monday. Tuvimos 5 palomas que vinieron ayer. I separated them from the group and then I'm gonna give the whole day of rest today, and then tomorrow probably I'm gonna let them love fly. Las tengo separadas del grupo principal, llegaron ayer y entonces hoy les vamos a dar el día completo de descanso. You can see 6 here because I have the blue bar cock that I am not flying, that one there. Pueden ver 6 aquí porque está aquí también el azul de barro macho que no he volado más. And then we got the 5 of them. Yesterday was really bad. It was raining and cloudy the whole day. Good that they made it back. Ayer estuvo nublado y lloviendo todo el día, pero bueno, llegaron estas. Right now I am missing 3. I am missing the white and 2 of the neto, the 167 and 168. Hasta ahora me falta todavía la blanca y 2 de las neto, la 167 y la 168. Okay, 137. I think that is a cock. Everyone knows this one. It's the only white that I have. Okay, this is neto 167. Hang. Neto 168. Hang. I'm gonna love fly today. Yesterday they were resting the whole day. They didn't do anything yesterday. Ayer estuvieron descansando todo el día, no hicieron nada. Así que hoy las vamos a dejar volar un poco. It's really early, but you can see that it's really nice today. Bien temprano, pero ya está bonito el día. I'm gonna let them love fly a little bit. Let's see if they wanna go. Vamos a ver si quieren salir. I won't push them. If they wanna go, they can fly. If no, they can stay. No las voy a empujar, vamos a ver si quieren salir o no. Cansado todavía parece. It looks like probably they are still tired and they are not that desire of fly like every day. Let's see what they do. Okay, I just gonna let them rest for another day. Vamos a dejarla que descansen por otro día porque no las veo con mucha ganas de volar. I'm gonna feed them and then I'm gonna give some vitamins in the water. Vamos a alimentarla y le vamos a dar algunas vitaminas en el agua y vamos a dejarla descansar por un día más. Okay, I'm gonna give these 2 supplements in the water today, Carbo Power and then the Carmi Mega Forte. I'm gonna mix them and I'm gonna give it in the water. Vamos a mezclar estos 2 productos y se los vamos a echar en el agua hoy para que se recuperen. Okay, they are eating now. Están comiendo ahora. It's getting really cold here in New Jersey. I think that it's like 30 something today. Está bien frío aquí, está como en 30 y pico Fahrenheit. Estoy dando un poco más de comida a ver si se recuperan de la carrera. I am feeding a little more to see they recover faster from the race. Yeah, I'm gonna give the water now with the supplements. Darle el agua con los suplementos. Hopefully they recover fast. I feel that this week they are more tired than the other weeks. Of course, it's like a 300-mile race. It's longer. And then their mold is not the best for this kind of races. Esta semana como que están más cansadas que las otras semanas. Por supuesto, es una carrera de 300 millas que es largo y como el plumaje de ella no está óptimo para carreras tan largas, parece que fue duro en ella. Vamos a ver vamos a darle un día más de descanso y vamos a ver mañana cómo están. Let's give it another rest day. Today, Tuesday, and then tomorrow, Wednesday, let's see how they are doing. Okay, it's Tuesday afternoon. The weather is really nice. I'm gonna try to see if they wanna fly now. This morning they didn't wanna fly. Martes por la tarde, les voy a abrir a ver si quieren volar un poco. Esta mañana no quisieron volar. Vamos a ver. Whoever wanna come out, I'm gonna let it go out. La que quiera volar que vuele, la que no, la voy a dejar adentro. Whoever wanna fly is gonna fly, the other one just gonna stay inside. I won't push them. Let's see where the others went. Vamos a ver dónde las otras fueron. Okay, I don't see them. Oh, there. Nice, they got some height on them. Bien, subieron bastante. I'm playing with the wind. Okay, let's see for how long they fly. Vamos a ver si... Let's see if this one wanna come up. Okay. I said that I won't push it, but I just push it a little bit. Dije que no la iba a empujar, pero la empujé un poquito. Y al final salieron. Let's see. Okay, that is the first group. Let's see some of the other ones join that group. You see them joining there. Nice. I mean, they have to exercise a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fly this week yet. No estoy seguro si voy a volar esta semana. Están mudando fuerte y la última vez que chequeé el tiempo va a haber viento de frente. Son 300 millas, que es bastante tiempo para una paloma que está mudando tanto. It's gonna be 300 miles. Wind is gonna be headwind. I think that like 7 miles per hour. It won't be that hard, but it's 300 miles, you know. For these birds, how they are like molting, I don't know if it's gonna be good to do it. I saw some, I saw some comments in my channel there that advise me just to don't do it, you know, like keep them until they finish molting, and then I can have them for all bird season. Because they proven already. I have 9 of them. I'm gonna make a video in the future, but I have already, I checked this week and I have 9 of them that have at least 3 races in less than 10% of the combine. All of them with more than 2,000 birds. That means that I'm gonna nominate them for the Hall of Fame, 9 birds. I think that is really good. I mean, they proving already that they can fly well. I don't wanna lose them just to taking a bad decision. Posiblemente esta semana no las huele. Tengo 9 de ellas que han volado ya por lo menos 3 carreras por debajo del 10% en el combine, con más de 2000 palomas. Ya con eso las puedo nominar para el Salón de la Fama del IF. Quiere decir que ellas han probado ya que pueden volar bien. A lo mejor las dejo ahí, espero que muden bien y las vuelo cuando sean palomas viejas. Vamos a ver qué hago. Okay, they flew for maybe like 10 minutes. They are coming down already. I'm just gonna open the trap for them. Volaron como 10 minutos nada más. Vamos a abrirle la rampa ahí para que entren ya. Come in. Tonight is gonna be really cold. I think that it's gonna be like freezing temperatures. Esta noche va a estar bien frío. Yo creo que las temperaturas van a bajar a la congelación. I gave a little more food just to keep them warm. Le di un poquito más de comida para mantenerlas calientes. Vamos a ver cómo se siguen recuperando en la semana y seguimos monitoreando si las corremos o no. I'm gonna keep checking them through the week to see how they are doing, and then we're gonna raise them or just finish the season here. I'll let you know.